Hello, this is John Sposato from the Arizona Home Group at RE/MAX Excalibur Realty. I want to thank you all for tuning in for AHGTV this week and to quickly remind you of the two great features we offer on our website. For our buyers, there's our free access to browse homes on the Phoenix MLS, and for our sellers, there's our instant home value reports sent directly to your inbox. Feel free to check them out using the blue and red buttons below. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about getting pre-qualified for a loan. Interest rates are still at historically low levels, folks, and if you have the ability to buy a home, you should not miss out on this opportunity. But in my travels and speaking with people, I find that there's some misconceptions out there, and today I'd like to dispel some of those beliefs. Many people think you need 20% down payment and that you need absolutely stellar credit to get a loan in today's market, and that's simply just not the case. I want to introduce a friend and associate of mine to help clarify things for many of you. With me today is Joe Connor from the Connor Monson team at Homeowners Financial Group. Some of you may have worked with Joe in the past, and I hope that many of you get the opportunity to do so after today. Come on in, Joe. Nice to meet you. Thanks for coming by.
Thanks for having me, John.
I appreciate it. So, Joe, tell us a little bit today about the different loan programs you have, down payments, and FICO scores.
Sure. So, John, the same we hear every day is that buyers don't realize that we have minimum loan programs back again. Not only FHA with 3.5% down, but conventional just a couple months ago came back out and was offering 3% down.
Oh, that's great, 3%. So yeah, you don't need 20% down or 15%. The difference between conventional and FHA is that you can, with the conventional, you can get rid of the PMI eventually?
You can get rid of the PMI once your loan balance hits 78% of the original purchase price, but the bigger thing is the loan amount differences. So FHA is capped at $271,000, whereas conventional is up to $417,000.
Oh, okay. Well, that's great. So if you want to get a little bit larger home, that's awesome. So basically, if home prices continue to rise, you can eventually get a revaluation of your home. And if you've got 80% equity into it, you can lose that PMI, save you a couple $100 a month. So what about FICO scores? A lot of people believe that you need to have really great FICO scores in order to get a loan today. Is that the case?
Not so much anymore, John. Actually, with an FHA loan, you can go down as little as a 580 FICO score. And with conventional, if you have mortgage insurance, they're going to require a minimum of 620.
Okay, all right, so that's good. So there you go. You don't need to have 700 FICOs. If you guys got dinged up a little bit in the past, I know a lot of people went through some foreclosures and short sales. Well, many people are coming back online now, building up their credit and being able to purchase. What's the timelines for getting into a new loan after, if you had a foreclosure or if you had a short sale?
So for FHA, it's going to be 3 years for either a short sale or a foreclosure, whereas conventional is 48 months for a short sale waiting period or 7 years for a foreclosure.
All right, so if you had a short sale, you're only looking at 48 months. That's great. That's really good news. So I don't know if many people knew that. In addition to our American clients here, we have a lot of Canadians who've been buying vacation properties and investment properties the last few years. Their dollar was really strong against our dollar. That's kind of turned around a little bit in the last year or so. I don't think that Canadians should give up on their dream of having a vacation home or investment property. If you don't have all the cash to put down, you can do some financing now, right? You
sure can. Actually, that product's got significantly better over the last few years as well. So if you're looking at a second home purchase for a Canadian, we can do as little as 25% down. On an investment property, it's going to be as little as 40% down. Both of those loans are going to have credits and income based solely in Canada. So the only thing you need in the United States is going to be a passport to get here, of course, and then an international tax ID number to purchase the home. That's it.
Okay, and what kind of interest rates are those?
Those are sitting right around the 5% mark.
Okay, well, that's still great money, cheap money out there, especially with your dollar getting hit so hard lately. Again, those options are out there. And Joe, I appreciate you coming by today. Thanks a lot. Hopefully answered some questions and dispelled some myths for some of you people out there. If you're looking to buy a home, feel free to get pre-qualified first with Joe. Here's his number and his email down below. Of course, call the Arizona Home Group. We'll help you find that house, and Joe will get you the loan. And again, from Sharon and Melanie, Terry, and everyone at the Arizona Home Group, hope you guys have a great week. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.
Interest rates have been getting better, and with that have loan program FICO scores. Yeah, I just totally screwed that up.
That's all right. That's all right.
Sorry.
Actually, it's not. So just cut. Take two. No big deal.